Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a freebie alert for all you lot that don't know about this service. It is Sephora and it's the pick and mix. You get to choose 5 samples every month for free. You just pay £3.95 shipping, and then that £3.95 goes back onto your account as credit. You can't use it to pay towards your shipping for your next pick and mix or the beauty subscription box, but you can use it on anything else on the Sephora website. It's not a subscription, you just need to create an account with Sephora. Say for instance you sign up on the 1st of February, you will not be able to order any more samples until the 1st of March. There's no set date that they release new samples. It could be a couple of weeks before they do so, but it's definitely worth checking in and out just to see what they've got available. If there's some amazing samples in there, like really good sizes, then I'll post it up everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, on this community tab, on YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. I do like checking in and out now and again. You'll find links to the pick and mix sample service down below in my description, as well as links to the Sephora beauty box as well. They've currently got an offer running at the moment for a 12-month subscription. Your first box is £2.95 as opposed to £11.50, I think it is. You can opt for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription, or you can have a one-off box for £13.95. Similar sort of idea to the pick and mix, but the samples you get are larger ones. And I think that's it as far as information goes, but you're welcome to take a look if you want more information. So yeah, so let's show you then what I chose for this month. Bit of a random mix, and not necessarily for me either. I went for these because of their sizes, because they were good. We got 30ml and 50ml products here. I'm not sure if it's a mistake or not and they meant to put it over into the beauty box or not, but I grabbed them anyway. We've got Redken products. The first is Colour Extend Brown Lights Blue Toning Conditioner Anti-Brass for natural and highlighted brunettes, and there's 30ml there. So this will go to my daughter. She's got dyed brown hair. Next we got Redken again. This is Colour Extend Brown Lights. This is a blue toning shampoo, and they got 50ml here. So you've got a shampoo and a conditioner. And they're gorgeous. A nice little takeaway there if you've got brown hair. Then I got something for blonde hair. None of us in the family have got blonde, but this is a Blondage High Bright Treatment Brightening Regime for blondes and highlights. And it contains vitamin C, 2% brightening care complex, and there's 30ml there. So really nice, you've got blonde hair. Next we got Collagen Shot. This is a beauty collagen powder, 50 grams of hyaluronic acid, 5,000 micrograms of collagen peptides, micrograms not grams, and it's in mango and lychee. So you can put them in water, take them that way. But I thought that'd be quite nice to try. Mango and lychee just sounds amazing. So yeah, so I'll have that later. And then the last item I chose was a perfume. This is Prada. This is Paradox, and there's 1.2ml here. So only a little sample, but I just fancy trying it. I actually can't remember choosing it. Never mind. I do quite like that. Hang on. That is really nice. It is a little on the sweet side. Oh, I definitely like it though. It is really, really nice. Can I tell you anything about it? The floral freshness of neroli. I'm obsessed with neroli. And the magnetic sensuality of woody amber accord intensified by a powerful trail of white musks. Why couldn't I pick up neroli then? That's a really nice perfume. What's it called? Paradox by Prada. Those are the 5 items I chose for this month's pick and mix, although I ordered them about 2 weeks ago, so January, but hopefully they're still available. Let's have a look. Oh, at the moment they've got Jo Malone perfumes, but they have got a load of Estee Lauder perfumes, 2ml, so larger sizes. Not much more, but still 2ml is fine, you know, so it'll last you a good couple of days. And there's loads of them. There's about 6 or 8 of them. Right, I think what would be easier, filter by brand. What have we got here? Redken, isn't it? That's what I want to look at. You can have shampoo and conditioner, 10ml each. They're all sachets. Oh, yeah, I think they made a mistake. Oh, no. We can get Redken Colour Extend Blondage Colour Depositing Shampoo. So similar to these, but you can get 10ml sachets instead of 30 and 40ml bottles. Oh dear. They still sent them to me though. But unless they were available, but they're not anymore. That could well be. If you chose the same as me, then please let me know. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.